Assalamualaikum, doctor. Uh, this is our group member, Chang Kakin, Liu Shuhao, Yan Jiakang, Wu Shankai, and Chen Zhexiong. So I am Chang Kakin. I would like to present our smart library management system here. So let me enter my full name. Okay, so we use getLine for our name because we know that Cin only can accept string without spaces. So if we use Cin, it only can accept chunk. The Kaken we just ignore. Yeah. So okay, let me type everything here. So we got role, librarian, member, and guest. So let's go for librarian first. So you can see that we got six things here: add book, view book, remove book, register member, remove member, and view borrow book and find. So now the database is empty, right? So if we view book now, it will say no book is recorded. If we want to remove book, maybe you just simply enter a book ID, you will say book not found. If we want to remove a member, so maybe you just simply put a member ID, you will say member not found. Yeah. So if you want to view borrow book and find, you will say no book are currently borrowed. So let's add some book here. So maybe B001, electric, and then auto maybe we put CKK. Genre we put engineering. Okay, so then we add one more book, B002. Maybe we put electronic. Author we put Sharifa maybe. And then genre we put engineering. And then let's add another more. So B003, and then maybe this time we put art of programming. The author we put CKK again, and then the genre we put computer. So let's add the last book, which I would like to use to illustrate the remove move function. So I just simply type lah. Yeah, so let's view book. Here we can see the book list, B001 to 004, and then this is the everything. And then we can see at the status it shows whether the book is available. So let's remove book. Okay, I just press B004. So you say book remove. Yeah. So let's view back, and then you will see that the B004 is disappeared already. So let's register a member here. So enter the ID of new member. Maybe you put it 052979. This is my ID, right? So we say member registered. Let me register one more member as I want to show how we remove member. So maybe I just put one. So we say member registered. And then I put remove member now. So I press one, so it will say member remove. Yeah. So that's all for librarian menu. So let's go back. Okay. For now, I just simply type the name. Yeah. And then I would like to show if what will happen if the member ID didn't record it, and then maybe you put one here. Yeah. So if I press member here, it will say access denied, member not registered. So let's put the registered member ID inside. So this one I just simply put. Okay, so member. Okay, so it say welcome member Chang. So we can borrow or return book. So let's borrow a book. If we borrow a book which is not inside the library, it will be like I just put one. Then the due date I just simply put. Okay, we say book not found. So let's borrow a book which is inside the database. Maybe you put B001. Okay, the due date we put 202. Okay. So okay, you say borrow successfully. Let's borrow the same book again. What will happen? Yeah, so okay, we'll say book reserve because I borrowed already, right? Yeah. So that's all for member menu, I think. Okay, later we come back here, we return book. Okay, so let's go back to librarian system again. Yeah, librarian. So let's view book. Okay. So we can see that the B001 the status become borrowed. And then let's try view, borrow, book, and find. You say member ID. Yeah, we can see which member borrowed the book and then what is the book ID and then what is the due date. Yeah. So let's go back. Okay. So C22909. So let's go for member again. So we want to return the book now. So B001. And then we can type the number of overdue days. So how many days we are overdue? So maybe I overdue for 5 days. Okay. So if you say book is overdue by 5 days, so fine is 5 ringgit. So I fine it for 1 ringgit per day lah. But with this one we can adjust one. Yeah. Just simply times the number of days, right? So okay, let's go back. Okay. Then let's go see the guest menu function. Okay, guest. So let's try search book. Okay. So maybe we search CKK. Okay, we can see the both B001 and B003, which the author is CKK. We can type the title, we can type author, we can type genre, everything. And then they can show the things. And then we can see that the status is available now because I just now I returned the book, right? So uh we search again. This time we search for engineering. Okay, so we can see the B001 and B002. So yeah, this is the search function of this library. Yeah, so any more things? Let me see the library menu. Like I think that's all from let me see. I think that's all. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Doctor.